Hey guys, today we'll be discussing about how to change your avatar's pose in Roblox on your PS5. This is a great way to make your character look awesome and stand out in the game. So let's get started and personalize your avatar. In order to change your avatar's pose in the Roblox on PS5, you need to open Roblox on your PS5 first. Go ahead and open the avatar section. From the Roblox main menu, you need to choose the avatar. This will take you to the screen where you can customize your avatar or character instantly. So select animations or emotes. Go to the animation section, find the option for the emotes or animation packs. Keep in mind that some poses might need you to buy premium packs or use Robux. So choose the pose that you want, browse through the available animation and poses, and press the X button to select the one that you like. Your avatar now will be displayed the chosen pose in the game. Then you can press the circle button or go back to the main menu. Your avatar's new pose will now be visible in all the games that support animations. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.